Hi, um, I'm here today to unbox this brand new gourmet pressure cooker. It's brand new. It's the Healthy Electric Pressure Cooker 6 liter. It's got the new auto cover sensor, which is supposed to sense whether the cover is open properly or not, and if it's not, it will be cut immediately, the power, which is a really cool feature. I think it's the first in Malaysia. It's really multifunctional. It's not just a pressure cooker, right? It's a yogurt maker. You can make stew, you can sterilize bottles, you can steam, you can even sous vide, which is a really new cool feature. You can double boil, you can cook rice, you can do open cooking, it can do black garlic. Black garlic is something that's really healthy. If you buy a black garlic maker, it'll probably cost you maybe 300, 400 ringgit, just the garlic maker alone. It's an essence extractor. It can double boil as well. We've got a special thing that can double boil. It's a deep fryer. This is also a really new cool function. Basically, you can actually use the pressure cooker to also deep fry. It's also another function. So it's basically like, it's like 14 in one appliances. One appliance, the gourmet pressure cooker, you can actually do 14 things. So I mean, you save really a lot of space. On this side of the box, there is the safety features whereby you've got a pressure regulator for protection. You've got this new auto sensor cover. You've got this one-touch release button which you can release the steam. It's got an excess pressure protection. It's got an automatic temperature control. It's got even a child lock, which is new, anti-blockage vent, extreme temperature protection, and also automatic pressure control. So it's actually really safe. It's much safer than the normal traditional pressure cookers. It's also easy to program. It's up to 80% faster cooking time, right? You can make rendang up to 8 times faster. Comes with a 2-year warranty. It's approved. It's got many accessories inside, which we will see. It comes with a aluminium pot. It comes with also a stainless steel steamer. I don't know whether you can see it from there. A rice, a spoon, and a collector, right? It saves up to 80% energy. It's got a really special system which actually locks in the technology whereby it locks in the nutrients, right? It's also easy to clean and detachable, right? So this is the pressure cooker. Let's open it up. The box looks really nice. Okay, we'll take this out. It's very well protected, you can see it's really well protected, right? That thing covers it. There's another piece in the bottom. Let me lift this up. Okay, so that's the box. Nicely covered. Wow, looks really nice, right? Really nice color. If you can see, it's like a gunmetal color that you have. So basically, this is the button where you can press, whereby when you press, the steam releases. It's really cool. There is a sign here whereby you can say this is for sealing, and this is to release the pressure if you want to do it manually, right? Really nice, right? So basically here it's got all these functions. You have clay pot, rice, you can do brown rice, porridge, tendon stew, chicken. You've got different cooking modes, baby food, garlic, black garlic, yogurt, an on-off button, soup, beans, steaming. You can do slow boiling, you can do your sous vide, right? So there's also a child lock function here. It's really a lot of things that you can do, right? So opening it, right, it's like this, right? It opens up, right? No problem, right? Really nice stainless steel. It's got a cover here to cover the anti-blockage, right? This is the steamer. The aluminium pot inside. So basically, it's got a groove here, right? So what you can do is you can take the stainless steel, you put it in like this, right? So it will sit here. So basically, you can cook your rice at the bottom, and then you can do a steamed chicken. You can do a Hainanese chicken rice. You can steam the vegetables on top. So it's really useful. What's this? Okay, so there's the spoon, there's the plug, and then now pretty cool. So basically, right, it comes with these two things, whereby one is in Chinese and one is in Malay. So basically what happens is that, look, if you're not so proficient in English and your first language is Chinese, what you could do is you could just basically stick this on again like this, right? And it's all in Chinese. And if you're more proficient in Malay, what you could do is you could just stick this on like this, right? And it's on in Malay. It's really, really good, really, really useful. I've never seen this in anything like it, right? So the inside, right, it's very well made, pressured, looks and feels really good, right? The color's really nice. But this is the pan that it comes in, right? This is the steamer. Now, what's different about the gourmet pressure cooker as well is that not only that it's got extra features in terms of safety, but it also has a lot of accessories basically. So this is the other thing that comes with the pressure cooker. You can see this accessories box. It comes with a ceramic with lid, alright, a ceramic pot with lid. So basically you can do your double boiling, you can do your steaming, your chicken, all these steaming functions that you can do it inside here. So this basically you put it into the pot. It also comes with another stainless steel steaming bowl, which you can again do all the steaming, whatever you want. You can do corn, you can do your prawns, you can do your chicken, right? So basically these are the accessories, which is inside, which is really looks like a lot of stuff. Let's see, this is, let's open it up. So it comes with a glass lid, right? So when you do open lid cooking, what can happen is that instead of this cooker, because open lid cooking, there's no pressure being built, right? But you can cook inside. So what you do is, you use the glass lid for open lid cooking. It's really another useful feature, right? The packaging inside here, what you have is, when you take this out, it comes with, this is really good, no other pressure cooker comes with a bowl like this, right? Where you can do all your steaming, you can do your prawns, your chicken, and stuff like that. Wow, it's really nicely packed. This is the ceramic pot, right? Really well packed. So basically, this one, right? What you can do is the ceramic pot. You can do all your double boiling inside. And what you can do is basically, for this ceramic pot, it's recommended to use the stainless steel pot that comes with it. It's really a lot of stuff here. The stainless steel pot, right? So basically, the stainless steel pot, what you do is you put the stainless steel pot inside. It's really good quality, right? You can see it's multiplying, encapsulated, so your food doesn't burn. So you can substitute, put the stainless steel pot inside, right? And then you have this steamer. Like this, so which you can actually put it inside as well, like that, sits inside. And then you put the bowl inside to steam your stuff, right? And then you close. Right, so it's really good, and then for the other one, basically, so this is the ceramic pot. So for this also has a special line here, whereby you can take the steamer inside here, right, and you can put it inside, right, okay, you can put it inside here, and look, see, so basically it sits on top. So you could be boiling soup, you could be cooking your rice or things like that at the bottom, and then you could steam your fish, your prawns and everything else on top here as well. So it's really multifunctional. There's just so many things you can do with this pressure cooker, right? Or multi-cooker to say, right? We'll come back again to test all the functions, right? So this is my first part. Thank you. Okay, so basically what we want to do now is we want to test out the features that I was telling you about, right? Now, most important thing first, right, is that to make sure that the cover is properly opened or closed. So now, you can see there's an arrow here, a line. Now, this is open, this is closed. So when open, basically Really easy. You just put it inside, right? You want to close. When you want to close, you align the open icon with the arrow, and then you just close it in, right? Okay, and close, right? So now, only when it's closed, right, then you can switch the machine on, right? As I was telling you earlier, probably the first in Malaysia and probably the only pressure cooker that has this is the special function whereby once if you switch on the function, right? Okay, power is building already. Now, if you just open it a little bit, what will happen? Immediately it says open, right? You'll hear a blinking sound on the background, which means that power has been cut, right? So no power at all. It's a really, really cool and new and really good safety feature that this La Gourmet pressure cooker has, and no one else has it right now, right? So you close again, you'll automatically build up pressure again, and then you open it up again. So basically, if you close it back again, the power builds again, right? So really, really safe. The other function that we have, as I was talking to you about, is the child lock. So there's a child lock button here. What you do is you just press one time, the L will come on, means the child lock function is working, right? So now, if you press any button, it doesn't work because it's now on child lock. So what you want to do is, it's really safe for your kids to be around. So what to do to unlock the child lock, you press the child lock button again for a little while until you hear a sound and the light goes off. And now, basically, you can press it again, right? So it's no longer child lock. So really easy and good feature, right? We'll demonstrate the rest of the other features in terms of cooking and stuff like that in another video. Thank you so much. Bye.